Hey everyone, if you're a social media influencer in Singapore, you'll want to stick around because today we are talking about the top 5 laws that you should absolutely be aware of. Whether you are doing sponsored posts, giveaways, or just sharing your lifestyle, first up is the Personal Data Protection Act or PDPA. If you're handling followers' personal information like emails or names for a giveaway, you need to ensure that you're collecting, using, and storing that data properly. The PDPA requires you to get consent from individuals before you collect that data and only use it for the purposes you've told them about. Breaching this law could result in fines of up to $1 million. So always be transparent with your followers about how their data is used. Let's say you're running a giveaway. You must clearly state how the personal data you collect, like email addresses, will be used. And if you plan to use it for future marketing, you must get the explicit consent. Number 2 is the Copyright Act. As an influencer, you might use music, photos, or videos that don't belong to you. In Singapore, copyright law protects the rights of creators over their original works. Using copyrighted material without permission, even in small amounts, could land you in legal hot water. Always ensure that you have the necessary licenses or permission to use content that isn't yours. For instance, if you use a popular song in your YouTube video without permission, you could face legal action from the song's owner. So it's always safer to use royalty-free music or properly licensed tracks. Third on our list is the Advertising Standards Guidelines for Advertising. If you're being paid to promote a product or service, you must disclose that to your audience. Read Clause 3.1 of the guidelines. Transparency is key. Using terms like hashtag, ad, hashtag sponsored, or making it clear in your caption that it's a paid partnership helps maintain trust with your followers and ensures that you comply with advertising rules. Misleading your audience can lead to penalties or reputational damage. For instance, if a brand sends you free products and you promote them, it's your responsibility to inform your followers that this is a sponsored post, even if it's just receiving the product for free. Next, let's talk about defamation. As a public figure with influence, your words can carry weight. Defamation occurs when you publish a false statement that harms someone else's reputation. In Singapore, defamation laws are strict, and influencers could be sued for defamation if they make false or damaging statements about others, whether it's a competitor, another influencer, or a brand. If you claim that the product is harmful without any evidence, and it turns out that the product is safe, the company could sue you for defamation, leading to damages or a public apology. Lastly, we have the Sedition Act. Social media is global, but if you're posting from Singapore, you need to be careful about content that can be seen as promoting hatred or hostility between different racial or religious groups. The Sedition Act makes it illegal to publish material that incites hatred against these communities. Always be mindful of your words, especially when discussing sensitive topics. Posting racially or religiously offensive content could not only result in backlash from the public, but also prosecution under the Sedition Act, with serious penalties, including fines and imprisonment. And there you have it, the top 5 laws every influencer in Singapore should know. Whether you are creating content for fun or for profit, staying on the right side of the law ensures that your brand stays strong and your reputation stays intact. If you have any legal questions, drop them in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful legal tips.